Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. I'm Owen, and today in this video I'm going to try and show you how I built my press brake for my 20-ton Harbor Freight press. So rather than bore you with like an hour and a half or two of welding and plasma cutting, I'm going to put you on time lapse right now, and there you go. Okay, so here's our finished product. We have our bottom die down here, our top die up here. I'll take it apart a little bit so you kind of see how it works. This top just lifts off, and I don't know if you can see, this is just 1/4 inch steel, a little angle ground on it. These ends here, I have these pieces sandwiched on to go out to these pipes that ride on my alignment pins, and these step up a little bit. You don't have to do this, you can just notch out the top die, but if you run the top die all the way out to the edge here, your return springs will hit on your die and won't work right. So then I have a piece of 1x2 channel welded on top. You can do it however you want, but if you weld a piece across the top here, then it keeps this thin die from bending this way, which you don't want. On the bottom I have some springs here, got from hardware store. Lowe's probably won't have these. I got them from an awesome place close by to me that has anything and everything you could ever wish for. We got a piece of 2" by 1/4 inch steel angle here in the middle. It's all welded on top of a, I believe, 5/16 or 3/8 plate, good and stiff. I have these pieces welded on either side here to keep the angle from spreading when I put pressure on it. And these pins on the ends are 3/4 inch. I don't know what it is, but it's ridiculously hard stuff, and my chop saw hated cutting it. Should mention in the top of this channel here, I have a piece of 1/4 inch steel welded in. The channel narrows down a little bit, and my plunger on my press was binding up in a little bit, so I put this spacer to get it up a little. And then I have this piece on here with the hole cut in it, just as a locator to center my punch. Alright, now the moment of truth. Will it bend a piece of 1/4 inch steel? Let's find out. You always want to get your piece centered pretty close so it doesn't push your die lopsided. So here we go. It's down against. Start pressing. Well, let's see what we got here. There you go. That is pretty close to 90 degrees. This is 1/4 inch steel, and it bent it flawlessly. Alright, thanks for following along on this little project. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I actually try to reply to comments, ask questions, anything like that, and enjoy the rest of your day.